Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest in beauty products with a no-nonsense approach. If you've been battling thinning hair or just want to keep your strands looking fuller and healthier, this review is for you. We're diving into the BosleyMD BosRevive Color Safe Hair Care Kit, a complete 30-day starter kit designed specifically for thinning hair. But is it the miracle fix it claims to be? Let's find out together. The BosRevive kit includes a shampoo, conditioner, and thickening treatment, all formulated to hydrate, nourish, and strengthen hair for a fuller look. This product line features Life Extend Complex, which combines powerful ingredients like Biotin, Panthenol, and Botanical extracts. These ingredients are known to promote healthy hair growth while fortifying your hair follicles and shaft. In terms of ingredients, it's got a clean profile, free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, making it suitable for those with sensitive scalps. The formula is also vegan and cruelty-free, which is a major plus for ethical shoppers. Plus, it's color safe, so it won't strip your hair of its vibrancy. I started using this kit for a solid 30 days. Now I've used other hair care kits for thinning hair before, so I had a pretty good baseline for comparison. The shampoo lathers nicely, giving you a good sense that it's cleaning your scalp and hair without leaving any residue. It doesn't feel overly harsh, which is great for anyone with sensitive skin or scalp issues. The conditioner is just the right texture, not too heavy, but still hydrating enough to leave my hair soft without weighing it down. The thickening treatment is light, but does seem to make my hair feel fuller with each use. Now let's talk about performance. Over the course of the 30 days, I noticed some positive changes. My hair definitely looked thicker, and I didn't experience any noticeable hair shedding. The best part is that it didn't irritate my scalp, which is something I often deal with when using products that are designed for hair growth. I felt like my hair had more body and volume, especially after styling. It held better and had a more full-bodied look, without the limpness that thinning hair can often have. But no product is without its cons. The BosRevive kit is quite a bit more expensive than drugstore alternatives, and if you're on a budget, it might feel like a bit of a splurge. The scent, while not unpleasant, is fairly neutral, which some people might appreciate, but others might miss a more fragrant experience. Also, while it did work wonders in terms of volume, I didn't notice rapid growth like I was hoping for. It's more of a gradual improvement rather than a fast, noticeable transformation. If you're wondering about value for money, here's the deal. At its price point, it's definitely a bit more of an investment. But considering its clean formulation, color-safe properties, and the fact that it's doctor recommended by Bosley, the quality is certainly high. If you're serious about treating thinning hair and want something more than just your average drugstore brand, this could be a good option. Now, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, products like OGX Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo or Nioxin System 2 Cleanser provide similar benefits, but at a lower price point. You might not get all the fancy ingredients in these options, but they still do a solid job of promoting thicker hair. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy, and the bottles are a good size for a month-long test. No complaints there. As for longevity, I felt like the kit lasted me just about the full 30 days, and by the end, I had enough to evaluate its effectiveness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Overall, the BosleyMD BosRevive Color Safe Hair Care Kit is a strong contender for anyone dealing with thinning hair. It provides gentle care, promotes healthy hair growth, and gives a noticeable boost in volume without harsh ingredients. If you're ready to take your hair care routine to the next level and want to invest in a high-quality product, I think it's worth trying. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.